What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you, and I'm going to be reviewing some more of my fan slime that you all sent me, my unicorn babies. I am so excited. If you're excited for the video as well, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the Unicorn Fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you very freaking much. Thank you for having your post notifications on. Thank you for always commenting within the first 30 minutes of the video using hashtag Unicorn Fam. And thank you for just being a unicorn. You're amazing. If you yourself, you watching right there, would like a Unicorn Fam shoutout, then all you have to do is make sure you comment down below using hashtag Unicorn Fam. Make sure your post notifications on, and also you have to be a unicorn, so hit that subscribe button. I am really grateful and so excited to be reviewing the slime that you all sent me today. So let's get started, shall we? So these right here are from Fun Let's Go. They have a YouTube channel and an Instagram. I'll make sure to link it down in the description box below. These are super cute mini slimes here. I just think they're so adorable and they're packaged perfectly, nothing spilled. I think I'm gonna go ahead and review this lavender slime right here. So here is the lavender slime here. It even smells just like lavender and it's still in perfect condition. I've had this probably for over a month and it still looks really nice. I don't think it needs any activator whatsoever. It might be like a tad bit sticky, but considering how long I've had this, that is not bad at all. It's like a semi-foam. It even smells like lavender. I think this slime is super cute. Okay, so next up we have this package here from Cygnus Slimes. They sent over some haiku bites, which I have never seen before, so these I'm probably going to love, honestly, because I love haikus and they know that probably. So thank you for that. And also a little croissant squishy, which is super cute. I can't even with this packaging. There's also some candy here and these slimes. I think I'm going to go with this one right here, so let's see what this one is here. The color looks beautiful. Look at this here. This is like a snow fizz texture. Beautiful. Let's do one more here from Cygnus Slimes. This one is beautiful as well. It has that same like ombre effect going on, white to pink. The texture is amazing. Very glossy. So cute. Okay, so the next shop is Lexie Slime Shop, and I actually have to show you all the extras first because there were so many of them. First of all, she sent me almost an entire bag of haikus. Some of these flavors I haven't even tried before, like the banana ones and the mango ones. Also, the melon ones. I've actually never tried those, so I'm really excited. I love that you all know that I love haikus because they're honestly like my favorite things in the world. Also sent to me was a pack of glitter. We have some squishies here. This one is an ice cream cone and it's super cute. There's also a macaron, which is again super cute. We have some little putties here. These are some floral Fimo slices. I was gonna say fruit slices, but they're definitely not fruits. There is some slime tools here. This is a borax mixture stuff, and then this here is yellow foam because yellow is my favorite color. Thank you so much for this. Now let's get into the slime. I also forgot to mention Lexie included this note here, and just look at the background of it. I mean, come on, that is super cute. The unicorn is everything. Okay, so Lexie actually sent me 10 different slimes, so I'm going to pick a couple of them. They all look super cute. Like, I don't even know which one. Look at how clear this one looks. Like, my goodness. I'm definitely going to probably save this for an Instagram video. I don't know which one to choose. Let's go with this one. I think this one is liquid gold. So this one's like a pigmented slime. Alright, let's see here. It's a little sticky, so I'm going to add some borax. BRB. I am in love with this gold color. It's honestly everything. Like, I love it so much. Next, I want to try this one over here. I think this one's mango sorbet, so that sounds nice. Ooh, it feels like an icy slime or maybe like a cloud slime. That smells so good too. This is super sizzly. Y'all hear that? Wow. No borax needed. Such a great texture. I love this. And it smells so yummy. Next up is some slime from Illustrator. Now, she actually sent me some candies here in this baggie. There's some thoughts in there, which I also love. Then there's this little slime here. There was actually another one of this size. It was a blue slime, Ella, but it actually busted, so I could not show that, unfortunately. I'm so sorry about that. There's also this little watermelon fizz slime right here. This is honestly the cutest slime I think I've ever seen. Let me just give you a close-up. Look at how cute this slime is here. I honestly cannot even wait. Like, it's gorgeous. There was also this slime here. It's called Rainbow Spirit. I'm thinking this was probably layered like with different colors, but due to shipping, of course, it mixed, unfortunately. And then there's this little, I think it's like a little bread squishy. It's just super, super cute. I want to start off with this cuteness right here. This is called Carnival Pop. So let's open this up here. Oh my gosh, that looks thick. Look, it doesn't even look like it's been melted. Let me take off the plastic wrap. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh, it is a tad bit melted, but that's totally fine. It happens. These have been sitting here for quite a long time, so definitely happens and it's expected. I absolutely love the texture of this slime, y'all. It is so nice. I'm wondering what the foam beads are that are in here, or if they're not even foam. I wonder what kind of beads they are. They're just so like vibrant and colorful. I did overactivate this a little, so that is totally my fault, but there's still no fallout whatsoever, so gold on gold. Now this one in here is the Rainbow Spirit. I made sure that I added a little bit of activator before I touched this one here, just in case. This one came out to a really nice color. I don't know if it was supposed to be layered like rainbow colors, but it mixed into a really nice like reddish purplish color. It's beautiful. Next up is from Stretchy Slimes Co. These actually, there was a bunch of slimes sent to me. However, these two are the only ones that I could salvage because the other ones actually busted. I'm so sorry for that. Y'all know how the post office is. It is crazy there sometimes, so I'm so sorry about that. But we're going to go ahead and review both of these two slimes today. I'm pretty sure they are going to be great. There's also a bunch of these extras here that they sent me over as well. A bunch of candy. There's even a Honey Nut Cheerios lip balm. Let me see if I can show y'all that real quick because that is really cool. Look at how cute that is. I cannot even. Okay, so we have two slimes here. This one is called Joseph's Unicorn Slime. How cute is that? And then this one is called Minty Fresh, and it has a bunch of like glitters on the bottom. They both look super cute. So I think I'm gonna start with this one first because it has my name in it. So this one is definitely melted. I added in some borax to it, so let's just bring it back to life real quick. So this one here seems to be a jiggly slime, which is totally in right now. I know everybody is like raving about jiggly slime, so way to keep up with the trends. Okay, now Minty Fresh seems to be a jiggly slime as well. However, it's actually pretty thick, and I only added a little bit of activator. I mean, look at that. This one is so beautiful as well with all those glitter added onto it. This is just so cute. I don't even know if y'all could tell that there's glitter in here, but there's like silver and gold glitter, or maybe it's just like a holographic glitter. It is beautiful though. Alrighty, y'all, well, that was pretty much it for this review video here. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which of these slimes were your favorite. Honestly, this one still has me shook right here. It is just so beautiful. I can't really choose. I mean, I love them all, but oh, that one is beautiful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn, because if you've gotten this far, then why haven't you subscribed yet? Bruh, it's so easy. Just hit that subscribe button to become a unicorn. That is pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!
Hand in hand we run, hiding from the sun, under